Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary puzzle with 4 stars in the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, 4 star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left: the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. It's time for the binary. Yes, binary puzzle number 9 5 2 3 9 5 2 3. Yeah, before I start I always count the printed digits. 25. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Well, we have here 4 ones, and I cannot place the 1 here or there because otherwise we will have 3 O's here. So the 5th one should be one of these 3 boxes. So the other 2 should be an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Now the double ones. Here, no, there, no, double ones. Here, no, there, no, double ones. Here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here, no, there, no. Double ones. Here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's, here, 1, there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double ones here, no there, no. Yeah. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double ones here, no there, no. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double ones here, no there, no. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Yeah. Need to think. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. If we place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. First row, not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Now we have 3 O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's. Here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Ooh. Interesting, this one. Interesting. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Double O's, here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O then. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Of course, double O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I need to think. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and a 1. Oh, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So these 2 boxes should be an O then. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And between 2 ones comes an O. Finished in 7 minutes. Well. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.